So first you're going to find the long edges of the sheets, and then you're going to put your hands in the corner, and you flip one side over the other, and then you shake it all out so the one half of the sheet fits inside the other half. And then you're going to do the same thing again on the shorter side, and you want to make sure it all kind of tucks in, and then you'll turn your sheet over, and then you're going to fold it into thirds.
You bring the other side?
I always mix this up.
Thirds.
And sometimes it's a lot easier to do it folding on a table, but standing up is okay too. So you fold it into thirds, and then once you have your skinny long folded sheet, you fold it into thirds one more time, and then you're done.
Ready? Your mark, get set, go. You're gonna smoke things. I wasn't gonna say that. Defeated. It's ugly.